In this episode, the focus is nighttime cough relief using Mullein tea, a gentle option for children, adults, and parents. Historically used across Europe and North America, Mullein soothes irritated airways and can reduce coughing fits when sipped warm before bed. For kids, a small amount of steeped mullein with honey, if age-appropriate, can ease throat irritation without harsh chemicals. For women and men, Mullein tea pairs with steam and hydration to support recovery, while avoiding overuse of synthetic remedies. As with any herbal approach, consult a clinician if symptoms persist and choose organic mullein to minimize contaminants.